Are you tired of unknown numbers flooding your inbox and overwhelming your messages? On your iPhone, there's a simple option that will help you filter messages from numbers that aren't in your contacts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable filtering for unknown messages and free up your inbox from unwanted messages. Get ready to take control of your messages. So, at the very beginning, open Settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a section called Apps. Tap on it. When you're in the Apps section, you'll immediately see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and find the Messages app. When you find it, tap on it, and it will take you to the Messages settings page. To enable filtering for unknown messages, scroll down and find the option called Filter Unknown Senders. Then, simply tap the switch next to it to activate it. Once activated, your iPhone will automatically start separating messages from unknown numbers into a separate folder. To find them, first, open the Messages app. After you open it, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the Filters option. Tap on it. There, you'll see several options, including unknown senders. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see all the messages that have come from numbers not saved in your contacts. I currently don't have any. These messages will not be mixed with your main inbox, making it easier for you to keep track of important messages from friends and family, while not being disturbed by unwanted or spam messages. Also, if you want to delete those messages, you can do it at any time without worrying about accidentally deleting something important. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.